What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Rob, back with another How You Can Survive in a Horror Movie. We're taking a look at Texas Chainsaw 3D. I think it came out in like 2013. I think I've seen this movie maybe 2 or 3 times, I think. I can't recall. But we about to get into this real quick, man. About to get into Buddy right here. Alright. This video is about him and how he could have survived. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content, consider hitting that subscribe button. Join the family. I need everybody to smash that like button because it helps the channel.
Hey, there's a Butler's Pantry in here.
Rule number 1, when you go on somewhere by yourself to explore, never do it. Never do it. Alright, this is where his biggest mistake leading to his demise happens, right here. These set of stairs. See that first step? I had to wait till he took that first step. You never go exploring in unfamiliar territory alone, especially when it looks creepy like this. Like, it's a reason that door was hidden. It blended in with the wall. Red flag. Another red flag. So if you're investigating this basement and you find blood on the floor, you don't stay there. You immediately go back up. Get the heck up out of there. You don't continue investigating like this nigga's doing.
Daryl?
Like, Buddy's way too invested. So he just finding all these creepy hidden areas. Like, come on, bro. Seriously, man. Come on. If you're going to explore this, get a group of y'all to go down here, man. Don't go down here by yourself trying to be a hero. Like, come on. Like, what sense does this make?
Yo, Daryl.
Like, he's really invested. Like, bro, it's dark as heck down there. You still gonna continue to creep? Why are you so invested, bro? Did his legs forget to work? He thought crawling up the stairs would be faster than running up the stairs. He's trash. He deserves everything he's about to get. One more time. We gotta see the stupidity one more time.
Told you it was fucked up.
Like, everybody's exploring this house by themselves, dolo. So this is how this dummy could have survived, man. When he found that door and went inside that secret pantry and saw them stairs that led to the basement. Turn around and close the door. Don't even go down there. Simple situation. He could have met back up with everybody else. Like, hey, y'all, I found this little secret pantry and they got a basement. Y'all want to go check this out and explore it? It's a group of y'all now. You see what I'm saying? That's how he could have easily survived this situation. But he decided to go by himself. This is the predicament he's in. Let's go ahead and watch his death. And that's it right there. Dead. Let this be a lesson, man. If you're going anywhere in unfamiliar territory, don't go explore anything by yourself. Don't go into any dark, creepy basements. Don't observe blood on the ground and continue to research and be invested. Because it has nothing to do with you. Just turn around and go the other way. Let this be a lesson. Because this whole situation right here could have been avoided. And since it wasn't his death, that's tragic.